Hello everyone, welcome to YesFDC Madhukar. Today we will learn about the force.com login extension. So what is this? What is the use of this extension and how we can use everything? I will show in the next slide. Okay. So this is the force.com logins. This is the Google extension basically. So what are the use of this? Basically, this use for you organize your all username and password of salesforce.com. Basically, if you for example you have multiple Salesforce credentials. So how you can manage? Yeah, you can store in a Google password or you can store in a notepad or any documents, right? So this is the Google extension. You can store your uh, Salesforce username and password, and you can log in directly using this tool. Okay. So in Sandbox also you can use, production also you can use. So let's go on the org now. So just type here force.com logins. Okay. So first one, this is Google extension. Just click here and see this is force.com Google extension, and just overview. This is the Salesforce snapshot here. These are the records you can show here and store here. And so what about the overview, sir? Help you manage Salesforce login credentials and lets you log in with one click only. Okay. So this extension help you manage your Salesforce login credential and lets you quick login directly. Okay. If you are a Salesforce admin or developer, you need to manage multiple org and login credentials. You must be tired of entering username and password every time they move from an account to others, right? So this extension help you how you can help manage your force salesforce.com login information like username, password, option. Quickly log into salesforce.com with new tab, new window, and incognito window also. Sync your login information across your device. Automatically lets backup on account information to Google Drive. Okay, so just this is the overview about the loginforce.com. And here I have already added in my Google Chrome. So you can when you type first time, so here it will be asked for the add. So you can add, then after adding, then it will be show here. Okay, like let's open the new tab and here this is it will be so like this screen. Okay, so in a group, by default generally. Okay, and here username, password, and the org type, which type of your org, production or developer org, pre-release and other. And if you have the security token and landing page, if you want report, dashboard, chat report, case, setup, user and other. So what you want the landing page, so it will be also redirect by default that. Okay, if you want by default open the report, by default open the dashboard, chatter, by default it will be open the opportunity, so it will be also open. Okay, description, what you want you can store the description here, and this is the account information and pw token if you want. Okay, so let's create one like here a group name. So let me log in this production. Okay, some any client name if you want, so you can like your client name and test production, just save it. Okay, so here it will be so your by default general test, and what you want you can create multiple also. So let me just select, let me type my login. Okay, just rc.com, this is my username of my developer org. Okay, password, type your password here. And you can also check your password if you type it wrong, so you can check your password and hide it. Okay. So what is the org type basically? This my org is the production or dev org. Okay, let's other thing left and just save it. Yes. So check here, it will be showing here like this. If you want other, so you can add, if you want here, edit again, so you can edit also. Okay. And you want to add one more record, so you can add also here, here the option add account. So you can add another account. Okay. And here import and export. Okay, in future if you have store already in this and export this file for future reference. Okay, when you have changed your laptop, so this keep this file and export here currently data what you want import and export, so you can import export for future reference. Okay, so then you can see, and these are the other options. So these are the language and all the behavior showing here. Basically, let me log in here. Just click, and this is my. So what you want? New tab or window? So I want to just open new tab. Click here. So my password is not correct. Maybe it's some URL issue. So that's why it's not logging by default. So when you click here, so it will be login by default, basically. Okay. So when you click on this, so just log in, click here, then it will be login by default. Okay. So in a one tab, you can log in using this URL. And if you want to, okay, if you want to add something other, like some example others, okay. So it will be asked for URL. For example, this is my custom URL. Okay. I want to type my custom URL basically here. Okay. So sometimes when you log in, so it will be not, uh, not login by default. Okay. So how you can store your domain name in this. Okay. So let me just switch in this classic and copy this URL, and again go in this org and just type, and here let me log in. This is the by URL basically. Okay. Check your URL by default is double showing here. Okay, so just remove this. Now just update. Okay, so what new need to be do, just log out my account again. Okay, let me log in using this tab. See, by default login. Okay, so when you are using the enhanced domain, okay, so this is required for the domain name URL. So okay, so then it will be not login by default test.salesforce.com or login.salesforce.com. Just store your URL, basic URL like domain name here for other, and you can use it. So this is very useful and manage your all Salesforce credential in a one place. So we will uh, see you another video. Uh, thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.